Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. The humanism or the organism life in this world or in this planet Earth should be eat and to drink because without drink and food, the organism or the human life can be died. So the animal and also especially the human need to drink and also need to eat. There are a lot of several food in this world like Chinese food, Japanese food, American food, Mediterranean food or Arabian food. So a lot of food in this world is very delicious. So the in another place very advantage because with the food we cannot enjoy our life. Yeah, also from food we can enjoy, we can uh, maybe can make some meeting from our friend, from your business, maybe from your business partner. Yeah, talking about food in Japan especially, there are unique things over there because people in Japanese or Japanese people is very like the raw food or uncooking food. So if you travel to Japan, you will be find a lot of people in Japan very like uncooked food or the raw food. Why this condition is also a very things very unique in Japan. Yeah, because the many reason why Japanese people like the raw food. So there are three reasons why the Japanese people like raw food. We will discuss this condition or this unique thing in this channel. So let's play the intro. Japan is the country located in Asia. Japan is popular by the motorcycle manufacturer like Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and also Daihatsu, Toyota, and the others. So if you visit to Japan, you will be find some interesting things like a manga, Dragon Ball, Detective Conan, and the others. So if you like a manga, you can you can see a lot of manga in Japan. The popular manga when I was childhood is Doraemon. I like Doraemon until now because Doraemon is scientific cartoon, scientific animation. There are a lot of technology in Japan, in Doraemon. So talking about Japan, Japan, it has very unique food and also the traditional food because a lot of people in Japan when they will to eat, uh, actually until now Japan is like raw food. Raw food means uncooking food. Why this condition happen in Japan? Yeah, because there are three reasons why Japanese people when they want to eat or they want to eating something, especially from the fish, the Japanese people not cooking their food. So maybe Japanese people like the raw food, and then when they want to lunch, want to dinner, want to exercise or the others before they start their activity, they want to eat, and they always not cook their food because there are three things. Number one, Japanese people, according to the Shinto tradition or the Buddhist tradition, yeah, because in Buddhist tradition and especially in Shinto tradition, uh, if there is someone of there is a Buddhism or Shinto religion eating a meal, it is forbidden, especially cow, in the cow, milk of cow. So if you searching in Google or the journal of Japan, and also in Hinduism, in Japan actually a lot of Buddhism and also the Shintoism. In the according to Shinto perspective and also the Buddhist perspective, the person is forbidden to eating the meal. Yeah, because Buddha or the Shinto grandfather Shinto perspective is very not like didn't like milk, and then forbidden. It's very forbidden, very dangerous. Yeah, maybe this milk is sacral, is the sacral animal, the cow, and also the milk. From maybe this condition is a dangerous thing if Japanese people, or especially the Buddhism people or Shinto perspective, if they want to eating meal, is like eating their god, or like dewa in Hinduism perspective. So eating meal is forbidden or prohibited from the Shinto perspective and also the Buddhism perspective. So until now, this tradition maybe comes from tradition, Christian tradition. So until now, the Japanese people cannot be eating meal very carefully. Yeah, because time is changed. This is the first reason. And the secondly, why the Japanese people like uncooking meal or the raw food. The Japanese territories, this is a very potential like a fish, salt fish, and also freshwater fish. So in Japanese people believe that eating fish can be smart people. So in Japan, a lot of smart people. Japan can make some manufacture of motorcycle and also the car, fastest car in Japan. So because every day in their life, Japan is like a fish, very like a fish, especially water fish, freshwater fish, and also saltwater fish. And also the Japanese geographic in territorial, their sea territorial is very potential of the fish. And also the fish of Japan is a biggest size than the other fish in this world. You know, octopus in Japan is bigger than octopus in other country. The fish bigger size and also the size in Japan very unique, bigger than another country. Yeah, and then so maybe if Japan want to eat fish, they believe that the raw fish, without cooking the fish before, they believe that omega-3 in the fish, when this fish maybe cooking fish is not good, because omega-3 in fish is maybe can be increased when the fish are cooked. So the Japanese people don't like this. Yeah, because the omega-3 very potential before and after cook. So Japanese people don't like this. So if you travel Japan, there are a lot of Japanese people eating fish without cooking before, because the potential omega-3 potential can be increased. The Japanese people believe it. This is the second reason. So the third reason is Japanese people believe that if want to eat something or drink something, they believe that the fire of Japan, in Japanese perspective, can be make some food increasing or maybe can be can be can be maybe a dangerous situation like a poison. Yeah, Japanese people believe that. So maybe like traditional food in Japan is very lot. And then if Japanese people want to serve some food, and then yeah, a lot of food in Japan without cook. Yeah, because Japanese people believe if there are a lot of food, and then with cooking before they eat, their belief can be poison. Yeah, can be poison, and they're dangerous from their body. So the Japanese people until now very like uncooked food or the raw food. So maybe this condition can make the Japanese people smart, clever, and also very strong. Yeah, like a samurai or like a ninja. Yeah, ninja and samurai is a superhero from Japan. Yeah, ninja and also samurai don't like cooking food. They also eating from the raw food or uncooking food. So until now, the Japanese people to be a clever and also the smart people. So if you want to like a Japanese or no, yeah, this is according to Japanese perspective. Thank you so much for your watching, and I'm sorry if I have many mistake in my English language. Maybe this channel can be more viewer in another country, and I will improve my English next time, next video. I will learn again about English. So if I have a mistake, I do apologize with you all. Thank you so much, and then I hope you subscribe my channel, and then comment, like, and share. See you next video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.